welcome to today's episode of Any Wine Chats. We are actually together today. We are partnering with Portillo's to do kind of like a backyard barbecue, kind of in honor of Labor Day weekend, which is coming up.
So soon.
Yeah, really, really soon. Just a couple weeks away, which is awesome and crazy. But they offer catering, and so we've partnered with them to do that, which we're really excited about.
It looks so good.
It does.
So there's a whole chocolate cake waiting for us.
Yep. We're really pumped. So you guys, if you want to see some details on that and you haven't yet, you can go check out the stories on all of our pages and see everything happening there. But we are chatting about fall trends today, which fall is honestly my favorite time of year. I think you probably have similar sentiments.
I love fall fashion for
sure.
I hate that it means winter, but I love I love layering,
yes.
and it's hard to do layering in the summer. So I for sure love fall fashion and fall makeup. I love a good deep, dark, burgundy brown lip.
Yes,
you know?
me too. Yay.
So I'm excited for that.
Yeah, so we wanted to just share a few of our favorites that we're really excited about, some things we think we might see this year that may be a little bit different than last year, and so forth. So I think let's start with maybe fall. I'm going to start with fall colors because I love fall colors. I just think they really vibe with my hair color.
They do.
So I think that's why I love them. So olive is always a good go-to, and Erica has olive pants on today. Not that you can see them. Oh, there they are. Yep.
There they are.
But we love olive, all of the olive things.
Well, olive is a good color, but it's such a good neutral. So you can pair anything with olive, and it looks great.
Yeah, that's really true, so which is kind of weird. With it, but it's cool.
Because it's green,
right?
But
you wouldn't think it goes with everything, but it does.
But it does.
Yeah, and I love olive and white and olive and gray and olive and burgundy, olive and black. Yeah.
All the things.
Everything.
Yep.
So I also love burgundy and any shades of that deep red. I just think are so pretty for the fall.
Pretty. I think one of my favorites, which we saw a lot when we were shopping for Fashion Week, this rusty, salmony.
Yeah.
I don't even know how to describe it because it's not your typical super orangey rusty. It's this new, well, not new, it's a color, but I feel like it's trending right now.
We're seeing it a lot for fall. Yeah.
So it's this rusty salmon. It's the only thing I can
It really
describe
is.
it as.
That's it. That's a perfect description.
So pretty.
Yes. Free People has a really cute skirt that is that color right now that I'm obsessed with.
There's a couple jackets like that.
Yeah, they do.
So fab.
So cute. Yeah. So cute. That's a great color. And then, of course, with the color of the year being that violet kind of purple, we're going to see a lot of dark purples, I think, too, which will be pretty. Yeah. And then mustard, of course, is always another. I know. I like little mustard. Hair scarf. I love it. But yeah, so fall colors are lots of fun. As far as trends and prints, I think we're definitely going to see camo. We always see camo, but I feel like this year it's
really strong.
Really strong. Yeah, camo pants, camo tees, camo jackets, camo everything.
Skirt.
Yeah.
We both have that camo skirt that we bought.
I'm over here thinking, wow, I have so many camo items. Yeah. Which is kind of ridiculous.
We should put them all together and put them all at the same time.
We should. Just all of the camo.
Just all of the camo head to toe.
This is how we feel about camo. Love it. Camo, but also stripes. Stripes are always really great. And I am always such a huge advocate of having, when you're layering in the fall, I think that's really great, but mix it up. Try not to just layer with just solids and stick to that. Have a nice striped tee with your chunky cardigan over it or whatever. I think that's always
it does. And pattern mixing it. We always talk about that.
Yes.
But stripes, again, are almost the neutrals of patterns.
Yes.
Because I feel like they go with floral.
Yep.
I even think you can do a smaller type stripe with a plaid. So I feel like you can mix and match. So having at least one good striped top in your wardrobe, I think is a good layering piece to have.
I agree. Hats are always trending for fall, so you have your hat on, and that reminded me
always.
Hats
I am
huge.
Obsessed with hats.
Yes.
I would love to wear them every single day, but I choose not to because I feel like I would get judged. But I literally, which I shouldn't care. Yeah, but I do love them. I'm a hat freak, especially in the fall time.
Yes.
It just takes your outfit from okay, cute to oh, I'm polished and
totally
put together.
Yep.
It's hair scarves that were so huge this summer, which I still think are going to be huge for fall too.
Yeah.
It just elevates your outfit a little bit. So invest in a couple good hats, and you don't have to spend a ton of money.
No.
The last hats I bought were anywhere from $15 to $30.
Target always has really cute hats.
They do.
Target's a good go-to. Nordstrom always has good hats that are pretty affordable. If you splurge on a hat, Free People does have great hats.
Yeah. Which even then it's $38.
Yeah, I mean they're affordable.
Which is not bad.
Yeah.
But yeah, or I've gotten mine at a couple local boutiques, so you can kind of shop around. They're going to be really huge this fall, so you should be able to find them anywhere.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.
What else? What other booties, peep toe booties? And I think we're going to see a lot of taupe this year.
Yes.
Which we usually do see for fall, I feel like, and it transitions well to spring too. It's like one of those really easy transitional colors.
And again, taupe goes with anything.
Yes.
It goes with navy, it goes with brown, it goes with black, it goes with whatever.
Yes.
So,
but the other color, Booty, I actually bought a pair. They're like this blushy kind of mauve.
Yes.
And I think that is such a cool, fun, like different piece to add to your wardrobe that kind of brings things together in a different way.
Right. But still, again, is versatile enough that you can still wear with a lot of different things
right.
you have in your wardrobe.
Right.
So.
And then, of course, denim. Like, you can't go wrong with all of the denim things.
Denim jackets.
Yep.
I did see that, like, a dark, clean denim is really in for fall right now. I mean, obviously, distress is always good, but just, like, that clean line is going to be big for fall. So...
yeah, you can't go wrong with it. It's so fun.
And then, what else? Oh, mules, of course.
Oh, mules,
Those are still here. I mean, studded, anything that's like embellished or fun patterns. You're going to see lots of leopard. I've seen lots of like floral brocade.
Leopard is huge.
All of the studs. Yes. I mean, I feel like any type of fun mule, it's like a hat. It's like a fun way to like, take your outfit to another level by having a fun shoe.
Yeah, and leopard's huge too. I think just in general, it's a really great print to add to your wardrobe for fall. So I think that's one that you just kind of can't go wrong with. Like if you're looking for a print and you're like, I would really love to add a print for fall, then leopard's
always a good one.
But plaid is too. So like my traditional like bonfire style, with a beanie and a plaid, and then like some denim and a vest. Yes.
Or tied around the waist or whatever.
I love it. I love it so much.
We're slightly excited about fall time.
Yeah, love it. All right, so let's chat about fall beauty trends because I feel like there is so much and so many good colors and fun things.
So I'm seeing lots of really cool, fun, bold lips, which I feel like in the fall, you're always going to see a cool burgundy, a wine, any of the brown tones. But I feel like I have seen like these really cool deep purples, navy.
Ooh, different.
I tried on, literally not kidding, the other day, 15 lip colors just to like try them on to see what I thought of like this whole new fall collection that came out with Merle, and I was really excited to try them all. And there's like this beautiful like purpley berry, but then there's like a literal purple, a actual navy, this really cool like deep brown color that I typically am not drawn to. I was obsessed. I was like, yep, have to buy it. It's so pretty. So I think it's a way, lipstick is always, I feel like, easy. Everybody knows how to put on lipstick. Sometimes eyeshadows, people get overwhelmed, or, everybody's like, I don't know what to do with contouring and highlighting. Lipstick, everyone knows how to put on lipstick. So do your normal makeup, throw on some eyeshadow, and then you just have a cool lip, and that's how you kind of bring your makeup up to like a trendy level without taking a lot of effort.
Right.
It's so easy to put on. You can throw it in your purse. If you want to add a liner, you can, or you can just slap some lipstick on it, and then it's like, oh cool, I'm trendy for fall because I slapped on a cool fun lip color. So I think if you're going to take a risk with your makeup, do it in the lip department. Yeah. Because it's always easy. If you don't like it, you can wipe it off. Eyeshadow, you can't really like, once you put it on, you're kind of like, okay, I'm stuck.
Right, you're stuck, yeah.
So I think lips would be a really good, easy one for everybody to be able to do. And you don't have to do a navy, but you could still do something different that you typically wouldn't do and make it bold, and that's like your statement piece for your makeup.
Yeah, which is really cool and
which
fun.
is so fun. Yeah,
I think lips are a really easy way to do that.
Yep, because in summertime, I think we kind of get, well, at least I kind of get lazy and I just stick with a nude lip every day because it's like every once in a while I'll do a red or a coral, but for the most part, I'm like, tan, let me throw on a nude lip. Yeah. But fall is kind of like the time where I think all of the cool, bold colors come out. Yeah. So.
Yeah. Yay, which is so fun.
I know, I'm so excited.
And then for eyes, I feel like I'm always trying to do like olives or the
coppers and bronzies and all of that.
Yes, which I think is always fun too.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I was going to say copper and like even rose gold tones, which are really big right now, are so pretty for fall. Because again, it's a color that you can wear with anything. Like sometimes I'm not a big colored eyeshadow person personally, unless I'm going to do like maybe a soft pink or maybe like a plum. But when you go with those bronzy tones, it's pretty much going to go with anything that you're wearing. Yeah. So I feel like it's always a safe bet. And I think it's flattering on most eye colors and most skin types. Yes. So it's kind of a safe bet.
I agree. Yeah.
Yay!
I think fall is so much fun. Yes. We're really excited to celebrate with you guys. We'll have more like fall events. Maybe we'll even do some fun like fall recipes. That could be kind of a fun episode.
That would be fun.
Yeah,
I love that
we should do that.
I'm not a great cook, but I'll pretend.
Yeah, I'm not either, but maybe Colin and Nate could help us out.
Literally, Nate does the cooking in our house
and
the baking, so maybe they're gonna speak on that.
So maybe they'll be in that episode.
Literally, I get kicked out of the kitchen. Nate doesn't even like for me to pour a can of vegetables into a crock pot. He's like, no. I got it.
I'm not allowed to use knives.
Just go. I'm like, okay. If you need anything, I'll be in here. So we're pretty lucky to have guys that cook because Yeah, I'm not that good.
Yeah, me neither.
I mean, I could.
I don't.
Yeah,
no.
So there's that.
Yeah, I don't either. Yeah, it's fine.
We drink the wine.
We do. We're there. We eat the food. We help clean up.
I know. Definitely do that.
Yep.
He cooks, I'll clean it up.
Yep, so. Absolutely. Yay.
Yay.
Well, cheers to fall,
cheers to
you guys. We're excited to celebrate that with you. We are starting a podcast. We are working on that. We're not announcing an official date because our lives are crazy and that's just how we roll. So it'll happen soon and we're excited to start that journey with you guys. So in the meantime, yay for fall and we'll see you guys next week.
Cheers.